So today we will establish the lens formula. 1 by f is equal 1 by v minus 1 by u. As you know, u is the object distance, v is the image distance, and f is the focal length. Okay. First of all, let us see what are lenses. Lens bilak no ki. So there are different types of lenses. Convex lens. Okay. First of all, you see convex lens. Convex lens means it is a system of transparent medium enclosed by two spherical surfaces. Dukhon spherical surface yak enclosed kora eta transparent medium. So তুমি যদি এই spherical surface দুখন যদি দুটা circular পৰা আনা বুলি ভাবা হয় তেতিয়া হলে so this curve or convex surface belongs to a circle. Similarly, this convex surface belongs to another circle. Okay? এনেধৰণে দুটা circular পৰা ইহতক যদি কাটি অনা হয় কাটি লগ লগোৱা হয় তেতিয়া হলে এখন convex surface পোৱা যাব, right? So definitely lens bilakot you will get two center of curvature. Duta tumi center of curvature paba aru duta radius of curvature paba. So for this spherical surface, if we consider this is pole and this is center of curvature and this length is r1 radius of curvature. Similarly, for this spherical surface, we have another center of curvature and another radius of curvature, right? So this is r2 and p1 p2. A spherical surface kono karone pole to hole p2, ekhon spherical surface karone pole to hole p1. Bote buji na pae r1 r2 duta kyo ahe kopra ahe. This is the lens formula. Ami ako lens makers formula pam. Lens makers formula to yat r1 r2 lagibo amak. Thik ase? Eta ami pisot discuss korim. We will discuss it later on. First of all, let us see how to develop, how to establish this formula. Already you have done many problems in your school syllabus, but here we will find out how to establish, how to find each formula. So you will have some problems. Bahut problem tumaloke paisa korisa. Etia ami sam yak keneke develop kora hoy, keneke poa hoy. So prothome ami salo the lens manenu ki. Ekhon hol convex lens, glass medium, ya dukhon spherical surface ase, dukhon spherical surface jetia cover koribo, enclose koribo, ene dhorone tetia hole ekhon convex lens hobo. So similarly, you will get another different types of lenses. Concave lens. Concave lens konuki. Concave lens has two concave spherical surfaces. This is a concave surface. This is another concave surface. I can hold concave. Yak diverging lens buli koa hoy, right? So this is diverging lens. Convex hole converging lens. First of all, we will establish lens formula for convex lens. Reflection of karone a formula to ami convex lens of karone establish kori. Okay. Aru ase lens plano convex lens ase. So school level at ami paisu. We will establish this formula for a convex lens and real image. Suppose we have a convex lens and principal axis is passing through the convex lens, and the center, this is optical center. And since it has two center of curvatures, for this, suppose this is C2 and C1, okay? F is here, F1 and F2. যেহেতু দুটা সেন্টার অফ কার্ভেচাৰ আছে, গতিকে দুটা ফোকাস থাকিব, অপটিক্যাল সেন্টার এটা থাকিব। অপটিক্যাল সেন্টার মিনিংটো হল ইয়াৰ মাজেদি যদি ৰে বিলাক যায় তাৰ ডেভিয়েশন নহয়। The point on the principal axis, when a ray passes through the point, it passes without deviation. Deviation নোহোৱাকে ৰেটো পাৰ হৈ গুচি যাব। এটা হল অপটিক্যাল সেন্টার, আলোক কেন্দ্র, অসমীয়াত কব আলোক কেন্দ্র। Okay, so suppose we have an object AB. Okay, we have an object AB in between center of curvature and focus, no problem. So from the rules of formation of image formation of কিছুমান rule থাকে, rule বিলাকৰ মতে parallel ray এটা আমি প্ৰথমতে draw কৰিব লাগিব। We have to draw a parallel ray. Okay, a pointer পৰা এটা parallel ray গৈছে। So suppose this is P point. Okay, all the parallel rays after refraction will pass through the focus. Eto ami jano, ami agote school level at paisu. You will have to use scale and pencil. And first ray image eta pabole hole dudal ray tumak lagibo. This is first ray. Second ray too, you should take a ray which passes through the optical center. Optical center মাজেদি পাৰ হলে ৰেটোৰ কোনো ডেভিয়েশন নহয়। অপটিক্যাল সেন্টাৰৰ কথাটো এনেকুৱা, তাৰ মাজেদি যিটো ৰে পাৰ হ'ব সেই ৰেটো কেতিয়াও ডেভিয়েশন নহয়। Okay, so this will be the position of image. So A dash B dash is the position of image. Okay, so your measurement should be accurate so that you will get accurate position of the image. Tomar measurement bilak accurate hobo lagibo, mur yat accurate howa nai baru. So our object is AB and our image is A dash B dash, right? Now see, this is object triangle and this is image triangle. First of all, to establish the formula, you have to consider object triangle and image triangle. Both are similar. Duita triangle সদৃশ, similar মানে সদৃশ. So since triangle ABO is similar to the triangle A dash B dash O, both the object triangle and image triangle are similar, then we have then A dash B dash is equal divided by AB is equal OB dash divided by OB. Okay, this is from the triangle. Similar condition we get A dash B dash. Okay, A dash B dash by AB, OB dash by OB. Okay, so on the other hand, you see AB is at a distance OB from O. That is, this is the object distance. What is object distance? OB is the object distance. Okay, OB object distance And from the sign convention, you see that this is towards the left. Bao phale ase, ekarne etu negative hobo, minus u. Okay. Similarly, OB dash is the image distance. Image distance, it is equal to plus v, because this is towards the right. If you consider this to be a graph paper, এখন যদি তুমি graph paper বুলি ধৰা, এটো যদি origin বুলি ধৰা, এফালে গলে মানে তুমি প্লাস লব লাগিব আৰু এফালে আহিলে মাইনাস লব লাগিব. That is the point. So if you put the values here, OB dash, okay, OB dash is equal V, OB is equal minus U. Okay. Equation number 1. Right. Next step, you are to consider this triangle and this triangle. Okay. Since triangle POF2 is similar to A dash B dash F2. Okay, this triangle is similar to this triangle, right? Then you will get some condition. What condition? The condition is A dash B dash divided by PO. PO is equal B dash F2 divided by OF2. OF2, right? Since PO is equal AB, right? PO is equal AB. Okay. So in place of PO, you can write AB. A dash B dash AB. B dash F2. Okay. B dash F2 is nothing but B dash O minus OF2. OF2. This is pure geometry. See, B dash F2, I am again saying Mago Kodisu, B dash F2. 8 অক্ষৰ মানে OB dash minus OF2. এই গোটেই দীঘলটোৰ পৰা এইটো মাইনাস কৰি দিয়া, এইটো পাই যাব। ঠিক আছে? OF2 is okay. OF2. Right? Again, what is OF2? OF2 is nothing but focal length. Okay, OF2 is nothing but focal length, and OB dash is nothing but image distance. So OF2 is the focal length. Focal length is plus F, right? Because it is towards the right of the point O. Original who hate ase. Gotike F focus to positive hobo. Now next step is to put the values. Gotei bilakor value bilak tumi at put kori dia. Put kori UVF ere divide kori dile tumi ei equation to pai jaba. Ki koribo lagibo? What you have to do? You have to put the values in this equation. Equation to ki asile? Putting all these values in equation 2, suppose this is equation 2. From 1, A dash B dash by AB is equal to V by what? Putting all the values, you will get V by minus U. Okay. This A dash B dash by AB is nothing but V by minus U. Okay, left hand side. So right hand side is equal. B dash O is nothing but V plus V minus OF2. This is OF2. This OF2 means F. So it is plus F. OF2 is again F. So after cross multiplication, what you will get? VF. VF is equal to minus VU plus UF. Okay, right? Now take this towards left. So UV is equal to UF. This is UF, and take this towards right. So minus VF. Minus VF. Now divide both sides by UVF. UVF এর যদি তুমি divide করা, so UVF এর divide করা, UVF each and every point প্ৰতিটো ৰাখিকে তুমি UVF এৰ divide কৰিব লাগিব. UVF. So UV cancel যাব, UF cancel যাব, VF cancel যাব. So ইয়াত কি থাকিব? 1 by F থাকিব. So 1 by V থাকিব minus 1 by U থাকিব. So this is your Lens formula, right? So you got this Lens formula. So already you have got this Lens formula. A formula kini malke already paisa. This is Lens formula. We are establishing this formula for convex lens and real image. So the real image okane ami establish koilu. এই ভার্চুয়াল ইমেজৰ কাৰণেও এস্টাবলিশ কৰিব পাৰা। খালি ডায়াগ্ৰামটো বেলেগ হ'ব ভার্চুয়াল ইমেজত, ঠিক আছে? সো ইয়াত ম্যাগনিফিকেশন আছে। ম্যাগনিফিকেশন যেহেতু অবজেক্ট উপৰ ফালে আছে, ইমেজটো তল ফালে আছে, সো ম্যাগনিফিকেশন ইজ size of the image divided by size of the object, and size of the তুমি যদি সাইন টু লোৱা তললে থাকিলে মানে নেগেটিভ হ'ব, সো এই তললে আছে, তলৰ ফালে আছে, সো ইনভার্টেড। সো রিয়েল ইমেজৰ কাৰণে m2 হ'ব v by u into ইয়াত নেগেটিভ আহিব minus v by u, right? Okay, কি দিয়া আছে? ম্যাগনিফাইড 4 টাইমস বুলি কৈছে, ঠিক আছে? We have a question to hold. An object is placed at a certain distance from a convex lens. Convex lens or পৰা এটা distance ৰাখা হৈছে। You are asked to find out object distance if it is magnified 4 times. আৰু focal length দিয়া আছে given, তোমালোকক দিয়া আছে given f is equal 0.2 meter. Okay, you are asked to find out m is equal given 4 times 4, m is equal 4, but there is a question, আছে সাবধান হ'ব লাগিব। রিয়েল ইমেজ হলে কি হ'ব, ভার্চুয়াল ইমেজ হলে কি হ'ব? আমাক কি উলিয়াব কৈছে চাইবা, আমাক উলিয়াব কৈছে object distance উলিয়াব কৈছে আমাক। We are asked to find out object distance. So for 2 cases, okay, case 1, what is q? Question case 1 for real image, আমি কথাটো মন কৰিব লাগিব যে রিয়েল ইমেজৰ কাৰণে এটো v by u is equal to -4, রিয়েল ইমেজৰ কাৰণে -4 হ'ব, ঠিক আছে? তল ফালে থাকিব, ইমেজটো ইনভার্ট হৈ থাকে, so that is why v is equal -4u. So after cross multiplication you will get this, since 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v minus 1 by u, right? So 1 by f is equal 1 by 0.2, 1 by v minus 4u, in place of v you write like this, minus u. So if you take common 1 by u to যদি common লোৱা তেতিয়া হলে কি আহিব minus 1 by minus 4 minus 1. Okay, so 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 4, right? So u is taken common, this is u. So you are asked to find out u to uliab lage ami. Okay, so after cross multiplication you can find out u to efale ahi jabo 0.2 to tolole gusi jabo minus 5 0.2 and 4. Okay, 0.2 to efale tolole gusi jabo or osore u to efale ahibo, so minus 5 0.8. Okay, if you simplify this, this will be 50 by 8. Okay, okay, so answer is 0.25 meter is correct answer. And for case 2, for virtual image m is equal plus 4. Okay, m is equal plus 4, so 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal 1 by f, right? So here v is equal 4u at plus bahaba lagibo virtual image or karone, thik ase? So 1 by 4u minus 1 by u is equal 1 by 0.2. So you do this 4 minus 1 by u 1 by 4 minus 1 is equal 0.2. Okay? Then 1 by u 4 1 minus 4 2 1 by u is equal 1 by 0.2 into 1 by 0.2 minus 3.